When I read about ways to make money on most websites, the descriptions typically strike me as being a little corny or as describing some form of link hacking technique that sounds too good to be true. There are, on the other hand, some very remarkable people who get it right. In the video that follows, I will discuss some of these people and share with you the top 10 ways that I have found to earn money online in a way that is genuine, motivational, educational, and amusing. A way that satisfies you not in terms of the amount of money in your bank account, because it can be a lot if you do it right, but in terms of the emails that you receive from customers and how you change their life. Or when you meet an online client in person with tears rolling down their face expressing how their dreams have been achieved because of you. I want you to know what a strong sensation it is because I know you want to experience it, but it takes knowing how to do it the right way that both serves your vision and supports others. So let's start our video. Number 1, teaching and training. This has been my go-to method for the past 5 years, and it continues to be my top choice. Since the University of Phoenix established a standard for online education, virtually all of the world's most prestigious educational institutions have begun offering their courses via the internet in response to the overwhelming success of the university's online education program. Launching an online school is simpler than it's ever been for businesses and entrepreneurs, and my close friend Marie Forleo is a shining example of this trend with a phenomenally successful B-School. Number 2, offering a service. The provision of a service is likely to be the simplest approach to get started because it does not require any initial financial investment. My podcast editor, Ian Robinson, is assisting other podcast creators in improving the production value of their episodes by editing those shows. There are a lot of various approaches to providing a service, and all you need to do is figure out where your strengths lay and what kind of answer you can give to other people's problems. Number 3, creating and selling products. If you have any knowledge or experience in any subject, you can turn that knowledge or experience into a product such as a book, a course, a piece of software, an audio program, a DVD, and so on. Webinars are the most effective means of promoting the products in question and making sales of them. Number 4, membership sites and continuity programs. Another one of these arena champions who commands a great deal of respect from me is Ramit Sethi. He has an incredible continuity program called Ramit's Brain Trust, and every month he offers knowledge that is both helpful and unique for the community that he is so passionate about. The community prospers under his supervision, and its members pay him on a monthly basis to ensure that he retains access to both the community and its resources. The benefit of this business strategy is that you only have to make a sale once to start receiving payments on a regular basis. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Nick Reese has done an exceptional job establishing websites, creating outstanding searchable material, and selling third-party products on his sites. He receives a commission for every sale or lead he generates for the business. Therefore, he never had to develop his own product to expand his firm. He has since branched out into other areas that you can check out on his new site. Pat Flynn also does an excellent job with this, and he reveals how much he earns from his affiliates each month. Number 6, building a site and selling ads. Derek Halpern is an absolute beast when it comes to this. The figurehead behind Social Triggers initially launched a celebrity gossip website many years ago. The site attracted millions of unique visitors each month, which the founder capitalized on by selling advertising space on the platform. One more illustration of this is provided by Tina Sue of ThinkSimpleNow.com. Tina does an incredible job with this while also providing encouraging articles pertaining to personal growth. Number 7, selling sponsorships for branded content. John Lee Dumas also writes about the process that he uses to sell sponsorships on his podcast, which allows him to bring in more than $50,000 per month. This can be accomplished through the use of a video show, a podcast, or even the development of a specialized website. Develop branded content revolving around your interests and seek out sponsors whose interests align with those of your audience. Number 8, events. It's possible to generate a lot of revenue by organizing and publicizing events, whether they take place offline or online. Even though he started out with just a simple blog a few years ago, Michael Stelzner has grown his business to the point that he now hosts both online summits and in-person events with thousands of people at each. Number 9, masterminds and coaching. Jonathan Fields is an encouraging agent of change who is a member of the Integrity Podcast Network. He's the founder and director of the Good Life Project, through which he offers high-priced retreats and continuous coaching sessions at exotic destinations throughout the year. Because Jonathan is an expert at both doing this online and offline, you can choose whichever method best suits your needs. Number 10, getting creative. Jason Sadler, who runs his business currently under the name Jason Surfer App, is a creative entrepreneur. He monetizes online presence by wearing corporation shirts purchased through iwearyourshirt.com and earning money. Now he makes about $50,000 a year from the sale of his last name. He sells sponsor pages in his new book, and he continues to push the envelope in terms of how much money one can make by being innovative. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.